Hugo, what's happening now? What do you tell my husband?
Your husband?
What do you tell my husband about my son? What? You don't know?
I don't know.
What do you tell my husband about Junior?
Your husband?
How could you? How could you?
What have I done again now?
How could you travel to the village and tell my mother some nasty things?
But you tell me say you dey go hospital.
No. Village.
Now tell me. Tell me the secret concerning Junior's paternity.
She's here, ask her now.
Hugo!
Are you ready to talk?
Hugo!
Are you ready to talk?
Yes, I'll talk.
Talk!
Okay. She got pregnant before you got married to her. She was impregnated by someone who promised to marry her but disappointed her.
Hugo!
Philo, is that true?
No! She didn't lie!
Why are you doing this now?
Why would I lie?
Why would I lie? Why would I lie? Now you just telling the truth, he will forgive you.
Go inside. Go back on your things. You don't be staying here again.
Story. I am 3 months pregnant for your husband.
You're mad!
Philo, no try am again. What happened? You took him away from me. I knew him before you. I am here to take my pound of flesh. And if it may concern you, the mother is aware of this pregnancy, so we die here.
Why did you do all this thing? What happened?
Like cry crocodile tears, cry kukuruku, you know what happened? I am pregnant, I am here to stay.
Oh God!
I am here to stay. Now we dey here. Others stay for bush. Nonsense.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.